Welcome to Zetar. Our company is located in Shanghai, China. Zetar often asked to assist in the prototype development of new product ideas of customers. With CNC machining, 3D printing and low-volume injection molding, we offer a number of rapid prototyping options that are available to you to help validate form, fit, and function of your future injection molded parts design before injection mold making. If you have new project need to make prototype, welcome to consult Zetar. With more than 20 English speakers and 7 experienced engineers on hand to support the process from idea to reality. Just tell us your idea. Zetar can make it come true. Let us help turn your dream into a reality.